see Pokemon. Is that more Pokemon? More Pokemon. Okay, so also we've got 3 prismatic tech sticker bundles. 3 packs in that. He's in that 1, 2. 2 packs in that, and 3 packs in that. Surging Sparks ETV. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. Look alright, he's got the promo in. He's got the promo, woohoo! Paldean Fate. So that's been resealed. But I don't think it's been opened, I think it's just been box been destroyed. Jumbo card. That's facing the wrong way. Okay, I'm not got a clue what this is. But oh, okay. Oh, so some of the cards have been opened. Okay, so Pokemon Go. What have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of cards. The promo seems to be in there.